Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Shrishty Garg and I'm a certified makeup artist. I will be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a very interesting tutorial, and this video is all about pride makeup. So without any further ado, let's begin with the tutorial. I am using Garnier Micellar water for removing dust and oil from my face. It's suitable for all skin types. Now I am using Indulgeo Pore Minimizer as my toner. Then I am using Ponds Gel Moisturizer. It has hyaluronic acid as it gives you instant hydration. For primer, I am using Swiss Beauty Highlighting Primer in shade 01 Natural Tint. I am using my hands for blending. Now I am using Nykaa InstaBlur to correct my dark circles and pigmented area. It has creamy texture and it is easy to blend. I am using my fingers for blending. I'm using Swiss Beauty Concealer to neutralize my corrected area. Use damp beauty blender to blend. Now I am using Forever 52 foundation in shade 016 Peanut Butter. I am using the same beauty blender which I used to blend my concealer. Now I am using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer to highlight my high points like my under eyes, bridge of my nose, the center edge of my lips, center of chin and forehead. Now blend it. Use loose powder to avoid crease line. Now I am using my foundation to neutralize my pigmented eyelids. I am using purple shade on my outer eye corner. Similarly, using blue shade on my inner eye corner and blend it. In the same way, I am using yellow eyeshadow on my outer eye corner and orange eyeshadow on my inner eye corner. Blend it with soft fluffy brush. Using yellow eyeshadow on my outer waterline. Similarly, I am using orange eyeshadow on my inner waterline. in another eye, I'm using purple shade on my outer waterline and blue shade on the inner waterline. Now I'm using glitter on my eyelids. I'm using Nykaa gel liner. I am using the same Indulgeo toner as my makeup setting spray. For eyebrow, I am using Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in shade 01 black. I am using Maybelline Colossal Volume Mascara. Lashes are from Cilios lashes. I'm using Trysugar blusher in shade 01 Peachy Peak. Again, I'm using Trysugar highlighter in shade 01 Champagne Champion. I'm using very soft, beautiful pink shade on my lips. And we are done. That was it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share, like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye. मिलते हैं जल्दी से next video के साथ.